How to sharpen the image in Photoshop. Now this is the image I want it to be sharpened. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this filter option and open camera raw filter. So now here I'll scroll down and I'll find these two options, texture and clarity. These will actually sharpen the image. Now to show you, I'll zoom in into the jacket here and I'll increase the clarity. So you can see that there is sharpening going on. If I'll increase the texture, you can see that image is being sharpened. So yeah, we have make it sharpen. Will fit in the view, and as you can see, but this has gone too far. You have to select according to your needs. I am showing you the sample. So as you can see, so if I select P, you can see this is the before and this is after. I will zoom in. This is after and this is before. So this is how you can sharpen your image in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.